if you want to eject SIM tray on Google Pixel 11 Pro, what you need to do is you need to prepare the SIM eject tool. You should be able to find yours inside the box, so make sure to find it. And then we can take a look at the top of the device. Over here, we should be able to find the SIM tray. We also have this SIM tray hole, so what you need to do is you need to use the eject tool and put it into this SIM tray hole over here. There we go. Once you put it in, you want to apply gentle pressure and push it into the phone straight in to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Now we can use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone, just like that. It should come out very easily. Now here we can take a look at the SIM tray. So here we can find our SIM card slot. So now we just have to insert our SIM into its slot, just like that. Of course, make sure that it matches the shape of the slot. And the card, your SIM card, should go all the way in. It should not stick out of the SIM tray. There we go. Once the SIM card is in, we can just put the SIM tray back into the phone. And you can just slide it all the way in with your finger. Just push it all the way in. And make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out of the phone either. Because if you don't take care of that, you risk damaging your phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.